on Twitch. So, bye.
Right, so yeah, you're having a look on Twitch and
Yeah, I didn't see anything. It's not
okay,
showing up on Twitch. Yeah.
right, there must have been a glitch on Twitch because I'm on my iPad um
Oh, Cactus
on
just set back on. On.
ah okay, cool.
Cool.
It's working now.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm not entirely sure if it's working for Tori as well because he's slacking us there. Do we know that the stream is down? But if GagDev is on Twitch, then it should be working for him as well.
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. So where were we? I was gonna show GagDev the architecture, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So I'll share my screen and we can take it from there. All right. So say this is our homepage. So, and this would be our, say, no, hang on. Actually, forget that one. This is our home page, and actually, I would want that box as well. Okay, and this would be our app, as in the front end. Okay, and I will bring the other one, bring forward. Actually, send this to backward. Okay, cool. So this is our app,
Mm-hmm.
is in the front end precisely, and
Mm-hmm.
this is our home page here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and you can say this is our DB.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and all the boards. Oops, what am I doing? And all the boards are basically saved here. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is our board 1, board 2,
Mm-hmm.
then board 3. Okay, cool. So say the idea that we are trying to accomplish is that when we input a board name in homepage,
Mm-hmm.
okay, say for example I do say board 1, okay,
Okay.
and then say if so when I so this is my solution that I've proposed.
Mm-hmm.
So as soon as the board, as soon as the homepage loads, or we do one scan of the DB, and we store, say, all the boards in an array, which is this one. Right, these will have board 1, 2, and 3 as strings. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So say if I type board 1 and I want to check if this board, oh come
Mm-hmm.
on, go away. I want to check if this board already exists
Mm-hmm.
instead of taking the trip to the database and then coming back.
Mm-hmm.
I can just um, compare this array
Mm-hmm.
and this board name if it's already present in this array. If it is, then I need to choose an other board name. But if it's not, then I can create this board as a board.
How
Does
would
that make
the
sense?
Yeah, that makes sense,
Yeah.
Zain, but I'm just wondering how will um how will the array populate then?
Yes. So there's already a function in the backend. In not in the backend. Sorry, in still front end,
Mm-hmm.
which already is doing a scan of all the boards in the database table. So it's getting all the boards already,
Mm-hmm.
but all we need to do is instead of getting all the boards as an object, we need to extract the board names from there.
Mm-hmm. It isn't that still quite expensive to do, Zain? Like, I mean, in terms of, if you're retrieving the all the boards and then just fetching the board names, wouldn't that be quite expensive? Wouldn't it be better if we
It
just fetch
would
the board names? Oh, yes, go on. Mm-hmm.
go on. Wouldn't it be better if we just?
I was thinking if we create another backend function to that allows us just to get the board names, not the boards itself. So we don't have to do that kind of functionality in our front end. We call this function and we get all the board names uh, via the backend. Like no manipulation in the front end is what I'm trying to say.
All right. So you're basically proposing that because we in instead of we already using a function that gets us all the boards and is not as an object,
Hmm.
we basically avoid that, but create another function in the backend just specifically to get the board names only itself.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
And then we can populate the array with those
Yeah, yeah,
ones with the
yeah.
result of that list.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, that could be done as well. I was just thinking that I don't want to really have too many too many functions in the backend when we already have one function doing something similar.
Hmm.
But you are outlining the fact that we don't really need all the information in the first place
Hmm.
that we are getting from the DB. So I think the better option would be to just create or alter the current function, that's as in bringing us all the boards as objects, to do what you have just highlighted in a separate function, but alter the existing function, if that makes sense.
Yes. Yep. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah,
That's what I mean. Yeah.
cool,
Mhm.
perfect.
And
Um,
yeah,
yeah, continue, please.
yeah, I was gonna say, like, wouldn't it be quite expensive to, like, just generally? I mean, if you're gonna retrieve all the boards, that'd be pretty expensive to do, right? Like, it's still doing that action is.
Yes, so scan is overall pretty expensive, but it won't really be at this level of the application because I'm pretty sure we're not going to have in the first year gazillions users using the app. I would love if that
Hmm.
happens. I
Hmm.
would absolutely love it,
Hmm.
but I don't think at this stage we should really be thinking about as in
Hmm.
extremely about the cost because it's kind of a small scale app at the
Hmm.
moment as well.
Hmm.
And yeah, you're right to an extent that it would be
Hmm.
costly, but if you compare the scale of the app at the moment, it kind
Hmm.
of balances out.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, makes sense.
Cool. Uh, Jack Dev is asking what is array and homepage. Okay, so array is say what I have termed it as the in-memory database. So when the homepage, which is the first page on which the user inputs the board name that they want to create, there I've named it as a home page, and the array I've named it as basically to elaborate, to give it a specific term for in-memory database. So instead of doing trips to the actual database and see if that board is available or not, we can save all the board names to an array which is a in-memory database, but that would be on the client side. Yeah, I, I really hope that makes sense, Jagdev. And is DB a table? Yes, so it is a table in DynamoDB. Yeah, correct. Um, I really hope that made sense, but if it doesn't, please let me know, and I'll be happy to clarify further. And see if and you can basically tell me if my understanding is off or is valid to a certain point. I would love to hear your ideas if you have better ones. All right, so moving on, let's jump into the fun part, which is
Code.
coding. That's the one. All right, cool. Just checking if I'm on the right branch, which is one thing I wanted to ask you, Finesh.
Mhm.
Since you and Kartik had done the updating and the delete functionality as well, did you guys by any chance create a new branch for those?
No, we didn't actually. So yeah, we kind of didn't follow best practices there. We used the insert nodes new branch for the whole thing.
Okay, surely
Yeah.
that's fine. No problem. No problem at all. I would do that. So this would be storing all the board names. Okay, so we need to create a new branch for this functionality now. Um, branch B.
Do you have
S- mhm.
do you have all the latest stuff already? Is that in your version?
Yes, I got I did a git pull on Friday. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Store board unique board names functionality. Okay, that seems to be it. Oops, what did I do? Where did I mess up?
B.
I think this is supposed to be alright, but I shouldn't have do. I shouldn't have done the minus B. I think so. Yeah, here we go.
Okay. Cool.
Cool. So git checkout. That's in git. Yeah, git checkout and B unique board. That one switch and checkout on there already exist. Oh, okay, cool. So I should have done that one first because I missed the two ones together. Just switch.
Okay.
There we go. So we are in our unique board names functionality branch now.
Nice.
And we need to do a client. Come on, what's happening to my CD client? All right, cool. So the functionality that I was talking about, as in that already exists, in which we can get the board or the boards, which was this one. Yeah. That
Okay, boards.
URL.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So basically, what we would want to do is change this one. Oh, hang on. Did you guys make another one?
No, this is the old one. So, like,
Middleware.
we're not using this. This is just the old one.
Right, okay. So I'll probably have to clean up the repo as well. Yeah, okay. Cool. So get boards. This is getting the board fetch URL is from there. And okay, cool. So this is that. So I'll probably have to go to the backend and open folder. SAM API. There we go. SAM API. That was the one. Okay, so that one functionality of get all the boards should be here. Here we go. List all boards in memory array. Okay, so because we are getting all the boards here, we basically, what we need to do is when we get them, we need to just get the board name instead of the entire thing. So we probably have to do something over here. Get board. So this is the table, which is fine. How do we extract just one property and not the entire object? Data. Okay, I'll have to Google this.
Yeah. What's it returning as? It's returning as I'll have a look at the API. I just want to see what it looks like.
Yeah, it's returning a JSON object.
A JSON object. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So how to return a property of a and how to return a column of a DynamoDB table. How to query all rows of one column. Yeah, that's exactly what we want. Okay, select column from DynamoDB. Yeah, that's in Python. It's table scan or but response has too many fields, but I only need column one. This lets you get the required column directly, and
nice.
you do not need to iterate over the whole. Oh, I love this.
Yeah.
Attribute to get. Okay, cool.
Okay.
We need to use this one attribute. Scan attribute to get, and then this would be the column. Can you possibly log into AWS and let me know what column that we need to work with, please? I know it's a board name, but I don't know as in how it's typed. So,
okay.
Attribute.
You mean like, will the API tell you when you've by the way? Like when you get the, you know what I mean?
When I get the records,
Yeah, when you get the records.
yes, it can tell me, but because we already have the information available, I don't really want to go through that long path when we can just access it directly and see which column is in. Does that make
Okay.
sense?
Yep, sure. Oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. I'll have a look. I'm not very
Sure.
familiar with DynamoDB, but I'll have a look at you.
Yeah, so that's why I've actually asked you, because I know how to do it, so it will be a bit of a learning for you as well.
Cool.
Yeah. Attribute to get column equals column one. Oh. It would be something like the column name is board, board names, something along those lines.
Okay. Have a look.
Surely. Do you want to share your screen?
Is it in our new account? Is it in our old account?
Older one. Yeah, I
Okay,
should have told you that before.
that's right. I'll let me log into that first, and then I'll show you.
Okay, cool, perfect. Yeah, I actually rewarded myself because, as in, I got a new job, and that. So I thought, why not reward myself? So I bought this fitness
Mm-hmm.
tracker.
Nice.
Mhm.
Which one is it?
It's from Kmart. It doesn't
Okay,
have any brand, but yeah, I'm not really a brand person.
I
So
see.
yeah.
This is for gym and
Yeah.
running and whatnot. Nice.
Yeah, because I read my book. I read my personal development and business books, plus listen to podcasts. So I really have to time myself. So
Mm-hmm.
I thought this would be really handy, as it's always on my hand.
Mm. Yeah,
So I can just set timer and then off I go, instead of reaching my phone first, putting the timer on then, and then doing it that way. But yeah.
true. Cool. Do you listen to it when you're on your like when you're going for like doing exercise or just like at home or whatnot?
Whenever basically I've got free time, so by running, and if I can't go to sleep, I'll put up if a podcast on or read a book,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, just whenever I've got free time,
Nice.
I prefer to learn new things. Yeah.
Nice. Uh, yeah, I've started
Yeah.
sharing my screen, so by the way.
Okay, cool. I will add it to the stream. Okay, cool. Yeah, if you want to go to tables and do you want to expand the name column? And I think it will be the last one. Yeah, and that is the column. And if you do view items on the right corner at the top.
Oh,
Oh, okay. There you go as well. Yeah,
okay.
that works too. So I would need the second, actually the third column name. So it's board name. Cool. It's uppercase B and uppercase N,
Yeah.
isn't it? Cool. All right, cool. I will share my screen now. So it was uppercase B and uppercase N, board name, isn't it?
Hmm.
Cool. So I think this should be the only thing that we needed to change. Let's
That
do.
was
Mhm.
Python code. So will it be the same here? I assume maybe.
Let me see. Python code. Where was the Python code? Oh, basically, I'm not entirely sure. You must be right, but I just want to check it if that works or not.
Hmm. Yeah, makes sense.
There you go. Okay, I would have to deploy this again.
Mhm.
Did you guys deploy the app while I was away or not?
Yeah, we did.
Ah, right. Okay. So, but did you guys change anything in the backend, as in
Mhm.
here?
Yeah, we did.
You changed
Um,
something in the backend?
yeah, we did. I should have told you earlier, but
Ah, okay, surely.
only mainly we just took off some validation um,
Okay,
regarding
that's.
the
Mhm.
board notes, I believe. Yeah.
And did you guys make a new branch and then did the change or on the same branch, which is this one, remove no UUID from backend?
I'm not sure. That one,
Do you, okay.
yeah.
Okay, surely that's fine. It would be committed, so I'll just go in GitHub and have a look there.
Yeah.
What change was made? That's not the one we want. We need this one. So SB remove. So this was done on mm, actually our this was done on 27 days ago.
I think it was
Okay,
less than that, but yeah.
let's see the other one. 23rd September. That's even longer. 17th of October. Is it this one? No, it can't be this
Can't
one
be
because
this
I
one.
merged it. Interesting. So I think if it's no here, then the change wasn't committed.
I think K deployed it still. Like maybe
Yeah.
he didn't push it to GitHub, but he still deployed it.
See, that's important because now if I deploy it, then it would override all the
All right.
changes that
Hmm.
you guys have done previously. Actually, hang on. I haven't even signed in, so I'm gonna do that. Maybe then I can get some concrete information.
But okay.
Stable back. No. Yeah, I think it hasn't been committed on GitHub. So um do you remember what changes you guys made on the top of your head?
We did
On
it
the top of your
twice. That's the
memory?
thing.
Ah,
We yeah, we did twice. I think it's honestly it's best to get it because um
yeah. Mm-hmm.
yeah, because one was for the UUID, right? We're not using the UUID 4 anymore. Um
Yeah,
or we
yeah,
yeah, we're using the one from the front end, and then the other change we did was the validation to the board notes. So now it wasn't accepting empty strings, and I think we changed that as well. So might have been other things as well. So I don't want to. It's
Yeah,
probably best to
true,
get it. Yeah.
true. Um, okay, then in that case, we can't really move on at this stage because if I deploy my code that I've got, then it would basically override your guys' changes, and I don't want that to happen. Although when Kay comes back on
Mm-hmm.
his day,
Mm-hmm.
then I can ask him to make sure he pushes the code because we are working on it on as an alternate days with you and him. So it's really important. It's even more important that all three of us have access to the latest code and we are all on the same page.
Yeah. Zane,
Right.
would you
Mhm.
be able to just still deploy it on you know, on maybe like on the new account, or because we're not really using the new account yet, or if we just deploy it like on another like on a test part of it or something like that, just so we can try it right now, or would that be possible? Like I don't know,
Um,
test.
yes, that would be possible. Let me just try that one. Although, um, okay, how do we do this? Because I don't really wanna deploy on the same account. Think I would probably have to change the profiles. Yeah, the profiles. All right. For that, I'm gonna have to play a bit with the secret access and access key,
Okay.
and and therefore I'll have to change the the. I'll have to stop the screen.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. And can you please also make sure that you're observing the chat while I'm sharing the screen as well, because
Hmm.
I'm not gonna be able to do that. As
Yeah,
in,
sure thing.
if you can, that'd be great.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Let's make
Okay.
a.
Cactive says we're doing a great job. I think he's being sarcastic.
He is being sarcastic.
um,
um,
he also asked, "Where's your green screen?" Saying,
the the green screen is having a bit of rest because the proportion of it doesn't fit the entire screen, but because we this the screenshot is actually basically expiring, so we are actually planning to go to OBS where I'm preparing all this setup as well.
nice.
So green screen will show up on OBS as a professional setup. Please don't take
Nice.
it.
And where's my ball coding? My ball coder branding. Um, the t-shirt, right? Yeah, my t-shirt's in the wash. I can't wear it every day because I have to switch it out. You have multiple t-shirts, don't you, say?
Yes, I've got multiple t-shirts, so I've just got as in one t-shirt for myself. So I make sure if it needs washing,
Mm-hmm.
I wash it straight after the stream, and
Mm-hmm.
then it gets washed within 1 hour, 1.5, and then I hang it outside in the balcony for the entire night and day, and then it's ready for the stream the next day. So
Wow.
Yeah.
That's dedication. Yeah. Have you got DAX running yet, Zane?
So we initially planned to use DAX, but since we are going with the arrays solution, I'll just do a bit of an experiment with DAX in my own time for personal use, but we won't be incorporating DAX in Scrambler at this stage, especially for the MVP. Yeah.
Nice.
Git ls minus a. Okay, AWS. There we go. CD. Actually, CD. AWS. And ls. Yeah. So co-opening on my credentials file, and I need to include the new accounts key in this one. So press I to insert in with Vim, and then so this would be what profile Scrambler, and then okay, and now I need to go in the AWS the new account to get
Mhm.
my Scrambler credentials. I sent everyone this, but I forgot to take mine. uh, that's the perks of being a tech lead, that you as in
Mhm.
dedicate and take time to lead others and make sure that they have what they would need, but you
Mhm.
forget yourself.
Yeah. Yeah. True. True.
Right, yes. Sign in. Cool, there we go. And this would be no, that's not the actually root user. And then to root user SHBXWX. There we go. So I'm just entering in the new accounts
Mhm.
by using my root account password and username to give my um, IAM access to that.
Nice.
Come on, just coders one. That one 8H667. There we go. Finally. Okay, I'm in. Go to IAM. Uh, by the way, I would share screen, but not at the moment because I'm dealing with access keys and secret access keys as
Mhm.
well.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So this is my username, which is fine. Actually, Thinesh, I'm making you an admin as well on that one.
Cool. Sounds good.
So there we go. Add to groups, which is fine. Yep, and my one is this one. Security credentials. There we go. Make inactive, deactivate. Yep, and then make access key. I need a new access key. So access key is this. There we go. So AWS underscore access underscore key school ID is equal to that one. And then my AWS underscore secret access would be secret access key would be this one. Okay, Scrum profile, Scrum the default profile. Okay, so that one work. Yeah, that should work now. If I do it. Okay, cool. I think it should be good to go.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll just come back and share my screen and see if this happens.
Cool.
Secret is key. Make inactive. There we go. Perfect. Cool. So close the no, I don't want to close it. I would probably I'll have to come back to it anyway. Services. Okay, cool. So I'm coming back now. Share my screen. Stop screen. Sorry. Share screen. Cool. Okay, cool. Perfect. So, that is it. We need to deploy that one. So if I do git node, this one's gonna be API. Yeah, this is the backend, isn't it? Yeah, this is the backend. So let's git. Oh, I don't need anything to be git. Send build. File not file. Okay, I'm in the wrong one. I need to go a folder up because the template YAML folder is up. Okay, sand build. Wow, it's already 10:27.
Yeah, gone by quick.
Okay, cool. So now I need to check. It's if we need to deploy to a specific profile,
Mhm.
as in specifying a profile, do we do this profile scrambler?
Actually, I'm not too familiar with 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 this, to be
Okay,
honest.
let's have a look then. Uh, send deploy to specific profile. Git AWS profile. Send deploy configuration file setting up. Yeah, that's send deploy parameters. Build. No, that's not what we want. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try this and see if
Mhm.
this works.
Yeah.
Yeah. Profile scrambler. Unable to upload artifact and code your parameter to an error code access denied
Hmm.
when calling multiple access denied.
Did you give admin
Um,
access?
yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna do. Sudo sam profile scrambler. There we go. See if that works. Because my username does actually have admin access.
But this error seems more from the AWS side rather than um, from your
Right,
back.
right, right. Create upload. Because mine does have that. Oh, it's that one. Ah, hang on a minute. I might just log in using my
Hmm.
IAM. Okay, IAM. Same. Is that, would that be the one? No.
Account ID is wrong, right? I mean,
Ah, yeah. Account ID is wrong. What did you have on your account ID that you had?
uh,
Because ours should be the same as we all are using the same account or alias. Any chat? You should be marketing the show. Yeah, we really have to work on marketing the show. That's really important. Actually, I'm gonna start working on that bit as well.
give me 1 sec, say.
Yeah, that's fine. No problem.
Alright, put it in the private chat.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna stop my screen and then take that one. Then check if that works. Um, right. No, there is. Okay, seeming to trouble me. We will probably leave it at this, and I think tomorrow. Yeah, because I've got a few other things that need my attention as well.
Hmm.
So yeah, we will probably leave it at this by tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get Kartik to push the code as well, and then hopefully bring everything from um the old account to the new account as well, and it shouldn't take long at all.
Hmm. Yeah,
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 cool. So do you wanna close off?
yeah. Sounds good.
Okay.
Yeah. So in today's episode, we discussed how we're going to ensure uniqueness of the board name. Um, Coming up from the last episode, we thought of DAX, but in today, going forward, we think, yeah, we think an array is probably a better option. So what we're planning to do is alter the backend, ensure that we're just getting the board names, and then store that in the array, and then essentially any new boards that are created just check against the array rather than uh, checking it against the backend. So right now we just have to get our AWS account sorted and the new one. And move all our existing uh, of whatever we have in functionalities in the previous one to the new one, and also push that backend code so we can get this tested. That's about it.
That was a pretty good summary. Thank you for that, and thank you very much to all the viewers who turned up. Really appreciate having you guys, and actually l- learning from you about whatever it may be. And yeah, if you want to see how we, as in, get back on track and finish and continue our journey of finishing the last I think no, not the last part, the second last part for getting the MVP done. Comes here tomorrow on same place, same time, and
Same task.
there we go. Perfect. Good job, okay? And have a good night. All relax, enjoy, and sleep well. We'll see you tomorrow. Ciao
See you
for
guys.
now. Bye.
Good night.